Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand OUNNE. And pretty much what it is the iPhone 11 case that you can use to protect your phone. And for this one, I believe you guys don't actually need like a screen protector or anything, because the whole part of this case is to protect the front and the back, the side, like pretty much the whole phone itself, which is pretty cool. First thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you guys what comes out the package first, before I show you guys the test video and whatnot. So when we open the package, pretty much what you get inside is this little package right here that has the case itself. So very nice kind of design overall. So this is definitely not a waterproof case if you're actually trying to look for a waterproof case. How you guys will actually apply this on is you guys remove the front part like this. So take that part out like that. And then there's like two layers pretty much. So this layer where it protects like the front side right here, which is kind of like plastic material. And then there's a rugged case that's right here to protect your phone itself, kind of flexible, which is cool. And then inside the case right here, they provide you a sample of what it looks like when you guys put it on. And then they provide you some wipes. So some wipes to kind of wipe down your screen before applying it on, which is pretty cool. There's some installation instruction of how to use it and whatnot, and how to set it up and apply it on. And then right there in the back, you can see, tells you what this case can do. So it's scratch resistant, shock proof, and dirt proof. Didn't say it's drop proof, but if you guys drop it, should be fine. Just don't drop it too high or too much. So that's basically everything that comes with the package. Now let me show you the video of how to apply this on, and then come back and talk about the product. So I don't have the iPhone 11, that's why I had to borrow a friend's one to apply it on to show you guys what it looks like. But basically this is how you apply it on, and really easy to apply it on and whatnot. You can see this is what it looks like overall. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the video of what it looks like when you fully apply it on, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this case in particular costs around $14. And if you really think about it, this case is pretty much a case and a screen protector, so it protects the front side. But the thing about this one is not like a glass screen protector, it's a plastic material in the front. So if you guys don't like the plastic material, that I wouldn't suggest getting this case if you guys don't like that. But if you guys don't mind that, then definitely do get something like this. Definitely you guys can feel the heavy duty quality around the case itself, like all around, to protect the phone. Just the back side and the front side is not the best material. So the back side is actually higher quality than the front side, because you guys can definitely feel the quality of it. But then it's still not the best compared to like what I'm using right now for like my iPhone 11 Pro, if you guys can see. So that's definitely one thing to consider if you guys are trying to look for a product like that. And then the other thing that I mentioned in my previous videos about like reviewing phone cases is the fact that if you guys look in the back side, it'll show like the whole case itself, like so people will know what kind of phone you guys have. And for me personally, I don't like showing off what I have. Like that's good enough for people to see what kind of phone I have. So I don't want to show them that I have the iPhone 11 Pro or something, because I don't want people to steal my iPhone when it's so expensive and whatnot. So those are some of the things to consider and whatnot. But to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, it really comes down to you guys as a consumer of what you guys think. But like how I say in any of my phone cases video, it is definitely worth it to get a case in general, because you guys want to protect your phone, especially when you guys are paying such a high price. And then obviously if you guys don't have this case and have no need for cases in general, or you guys don't have a smartphone or iPhone, then obviously don't buy this product because you guys don't need it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have